Hey creators! Google's rolled out VO3 and Flow AI tools to 140 plus countries, turning your photos into epic 8-second videos with sound. Ready to create like never before? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this AI-powered creative wave. Google announced that VO3 and Flow AI are now available to Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in over 140 countries. With over 40 million videos created in just 7 weeks, these tools let you animate photos into dynamic clips. Want to know how to unleash your creativity? Keep watching! VO3's killer feature is its photo-to-video tool. Pick videos from the prompt box, upload a photo, add a scene description and audio cues like music or dialogue, and boom! Your image becomes an 8-second video masterpiece. From fairy tale reimaginings to ASMR experiments, it's a creative playground for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. Flow, Google's AI filmmaking tool, brings the same magic, letting you add speech, sound effects, and background audio to clips. The frames to video feature on VO3 fast turns personal images into dynamic starting points, stretching your subscription credits further. Available in 140 plus countries, these tools are opening up AI creativity to millions. Google's got safety covered with visible watermarks and invisible synth ID markers on all AI-generated videos, plus red teaming to prevent misuse. With creators worldwide pushing boundaries, VO3 and Flow are making filmmaking accessible and innovative. Could these tools change how we create content in 2025? VO3 and Flow are live now for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in 140 plus countries. Upload a photo, craft a video, and share your vision. What's the first clip you're animating? Drop it below. And that's the scoop on Google's VO3 and Flow AI global expansion. Are you hyped to animate photos or act speech with Flow? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.